Hello friends, welcome to Chemistry Tutorial Pathshala, and today we are going to discuss about modern periodic law. Why we require modern periodic law? Because we already stated that there are some defects in Mendeley's periodic table, and a young scientist named Moseley from England, who while studying about the structure of atom get concluded that the properties of an element is totally dependent on its atomic number and not at its atomic mass, or we can say the fundamental of arranging an elements in a periodic table is according to their atomic number and not by their atomic masses. So what is he stated that properties of element are the periodic function of their atomic number. We stated that property of elements in an periodic table are function of their atomic number. He is the first who included atomic number in periodic table, and behind this, why he included atomic number, when he is studying about the structure of atom, he got that all the earlier we stated that atomic mass is the main function or function of arranging elements in a periodic table, but when he studied and find that the atomic mass is the sum of the number of neutrons and protons in an element which is present in the nuclei, and nuclei moreover nuclei is not taking part in different chemical reactions, so the chemical properties changes in a periodic table group or period is totally dependent upon the outermost shell, or outermost shell is filled up with electrons. So basically electrons, the number of electrons is directly is equal to the number atomic number. So he stated that atomic number is the main function of arranging elements in a periodic table, and this is fundamentally proven as the time passes. So Moseley given the modern periodic law which stated that the arrangement of elements in a periodic table are function of their atomic mass, and this is stated, this is proven by the electronic configuration of elements in a group. Like if we take the group first of periodic table, Mendeley's periodic table, where lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium, they all are stated. If we go with electronic configuration of this, we got a common thing that all the elements in a group has same outermost number of electrons, or we can say valence electrons. So this shows that the valency or the valence electrons in a group is common or similar. This is all happens due to the atomic number, not by the atomic mass, and this is the main reason why Moseley given this, and it is proven in all over world. Now it is called the long form of periodic table. Another group, if you take, this is your alkali group, alkali metal group. And similarly, if you take halogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine, they all have their outermost shell filled with only 7 electrons. This all shows that the valence electrons in a group is same, and this is the reason why they have similar chemical properties, and this is finally divided this is finally justified by Moseley putting the atomic number emphasis rather than atomic mass. The resemblance in the property of elements, particularly chemical property, is due to the valence electrons present in the outermost shell of a particular element. दोस्तों आज हम बात कर रहे हैं मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक लॉ की। मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक लॉ एक फिजिस्ट के द्वारा दिया गया था जिनका नाम मोजले था और जो इंग्लैंड के थे। मोजले जब स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एटम पे पढ़ाई कर रहे थे तो उनको ये लगा कि जो भी हमारा पीरियोडिक फंक्शन है, रिपीटेशन है या एलिमेंट्स का अरेंजमेंट है, वो किस पे डिपेंड करता है? एटॉमिक नंबर पे, ना कि एटॉमिक मास पे, जैसा मैंडलीव्स, न्यूलैंड और डॉवर्नियर ने कहा था। ऐसा कहने के पीछे उनका एक तथ्य था, उनकी एक बात थी कि जब वो एटम्स के बारे में पढ़ रहे थे तो उन्हें पता चला कि एटॉमिक मास जो होता है ये नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन और प्रोटॉन से पता चलता है, और एटॉमिक मास जो ये नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स और प्रोटॉन्स होते हैं किसी भी एलिमेंट के अंदर, वो कहाँ होते हैं? एटॉमिक रेडियस के अंदर, या हम कहें न्यूक्लियस के अंदर होते हैं। और जो न्यूक्लियस के बाहर जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं, यानी जो आउटर मोस्ट में जो सारे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं, यही केमिकल रिएक्शन में पार्ट लेते हैं। तो सबसे ज्यादा जो केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज डिपेंड करेंगी किस पे करेंगी? इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पे। और इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल और इक्वल टू atomic number. So atomic number is the basic function to arrange elements in a periodic table, and what he stated, he has proven it by electronic configuration of elements in a group. If we see the alkali metal group, all the elements of alkali metal group have the outermost valence electron number 1, the 1 electrons in the outermost valence shell, or we can say 1 valency. Similarly, for halogen, the outermost valence electrons counting is 7, and it is for all the members of that particular group. That's why the periodicity, the cause of periodicity is totally dependent on atomic number, not on atomic mass, and the periodicity occurs because the number of valence electrons in a group is same. So this cause periodicity, and the problem of isotopes is also resolved because in isotopes element having same atomic number and different atomic mass, and we have same atomic number, and the whole electronic or whole periodic classification is done on the basis of atomic number. So this resolves all the defects which came in Mendeleev's periodic table. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any query, you can write us on comment section. Thank you. Kindly subscribe.